Hello, this is part 2, resolution. Double click WB menu main. Add a button by dragging this in and create this button. Name it resolution. Drag in a text box and drop it here. And then for text, put resolution. Double click WB menu main. Select the resolution button. Go to graph. There will be a plus here on the on clicked and press that. Mine says V because I've already created it. And then program this blueprint. This is WB menu resolution. When you're done, compile and save. Create this widget blueprint. To do that, right click, go to user interface, select widget blueprint, and name it WB_menu resolution. Double click WB menu resolution. Okay, this is a text. Drag this in to create this. All I changed was size to content and then put the text here. And on this one on top, I changed the size to 48. These other ones I'm going to show you are default 24. And like I said, I also sized the content. So these are all just text. This one here is text. This one and this one. Now this one's also text, but on this one you have to name it current resolution and then put sized content. Now this one I created a binding. Let me show this later though. So this is a combo box. To get combo box, search for combo and drag that in. You need to give it the same name as I did, supported resolution, and I size this to content. And this is a combo box, common resolution, size to content. Enter these 6 arrays. I just selected these resolutions because these are common resolutions for a PC monitor. You can select any resolutions you want here, and you can put more or fewer, whatever you want. This is the selected option I chose. And this is also a combo box. I put 3 arrays here, W, F, and WF, and then W for the selected option. And this is main mode. And then apply and back are all buttons, and the buttons you drag out from here, and then inside the buttons are just text, and you drag a text into here. So on the buttons you have to name it the same as what I named it, and I put size to content. Supported apply here. Common apply here, and back here. On this one I didn't put size to content, but you can if you want. When you're done, compile and save. Double click WB menu resolution. Highlight the current resolution text box. Under text, create a binding, and then go to that binding. It's going to be called get current resolution text 0, and program this blueprint. On B, this is a lowercase x that I put here. When you're done, compile and save. Double click WB menu resolution. Go to graph. There's 4 blueprints. This blueprint populates the drop down with the resolutions. This blueprint is the back button. These 2 blueprints are the apply buttons. Drag off of event construct. This is a lowercase x. When you connect this, it puts these in for you. Supported resolution, you can drag that out of here. This is a lowercase x. This is the back button. This is WB menu main. This is the supported apply button. This is r.setRes, and there's a space at the end. This print string is just for testing, so you can see the string that's being generated on the screen. This is the common apply button. For this and this, you can drag it out of this area. This is r.setRes with the space at the end. And when you're done, compile and save. I'm going to test using standalone game mode. I'll press play. Go to resolution screen. Okay, this is starting out at 1280 by 720. So I'm going to go to 1366 by 768 and apply. Okay, that worked. I'll go back to 1280 by 720 and apply. Now I'm going to go to 640 by 480 and apply. Now I'm going to go to 1920 by 1080. My laptop doesn't support this resolution, and I'll apply this. Instead it goes to 1366 by 768. I'm going to go to 800 by 600 and apply. And it seems to be working okay, so I'll go back and put